Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. I wanted to start off this video by showing you guys some really, really beautiful jewelry. I love jewelry. Jewelry adds so much to an outfit, and it took me so long to realize that. It took me until college to become a ring person, and now I wear rings every day, and if I don't wear rings, I feel like my outfit is like incomplete as it is right now, but I actually have some rings I'm gonna open up to show you guys. This video is sponsored by Ciunofor, and I am so happy and I am so excited. Ciunofor actually sent me a couple surprise pieces. This is gonna be a really surprise unboxing. I obviously checked out their website and saw that they had really cute things, which is why I worked with them, because I really like their brand. But I got a couple surprise presents. I'm so excited to open them. This one is in the bougiest box, so I'm gonna leave it for last. So we're gonna open up these really pretty, less bougie boxes. First of all, already, like, they come so cute. Oh, my favorite thing. Ribbon, oh my god. Okay, really pretty packaging. Oh my god, there's a couple things in there. And it comes with a white cloth, of course, if you wanted to, you know, clean your jewelry. They did send me some earrings, which unfortunately I don't have my ears pierced, but they will be given to someone who does, because I have many women in my family. So these are these earrings. They're rose gold, which I absolutely love. I love rose gold. And on the back, it gives you like tips to take care of your jewelry pieces. Oh my god, these are so cute. Obviously gonna show close-ups, but oh my god, these are adorable. I love that it's rose gold and like silver, so it looks so bougie. But these are so cute. I can imagine my mom loving these. Live, laugh, and be charming. That's what it says on here. That is so cute. Okay, next piece. All of these were a surprise to me, but I love rose gold, so they got that right. So this is another rose gold piece, but it is this huge circle. I love this little inner shiny circle that's on top of it. It is so cute. I feel like these pieces are something my mom would absolutely love to wear to a restaurant. They're really pretty though. This looks really gorgeous. I feel like with a really nice evening gown, this would look beautiful. Look at this. It's so shiny. It's so pretty. I love this little circle-y collection. Okay, then there's a ring. It's, oh my god, look at this. A chunky, beautiful rose gold piece. This is something I would wear to like an art museum. If I was ever going to like an art exhibit or something, I would wear this ring because it feels so bougie. And just so, and such a cool design. The ring feels especially sturdy. I really like their rings. This is thick. This is a thick material. Beautiful. Let's open up the next box. There's so many things. And another cloth. Thank you. We'll be using the cloth. So there's a dainty piece, which I'm really excited for. As much as I appreciate jewelry like this, and I feel like they're really important for a good moment, like bouginess, I really love wearing dainty, elegant pieces for like everyday life. That's personally my style. Oh my god, I got it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I actually really like this. I love this little bit. It reminds me of like really high-end jewelry. Like, it is so pretty. And this little tag, like, this is gorgeous. I love this bracelet. Oh my god, it's so chunky, but it's like, it's so freaking cool. It has a wide variety of sizes, which is really nice. Hi, this is so cute. I would rock this with like an all black evening dress. That would be fire. And this one is also really heavy, which feels good. Like, it's like a good bougie heavy, you know what I mean? Okay, well, let's see this little dainty. Oh, there's two necklaces. This is how they come. Look at how gorgeous. This one is even more elegant, I would say. So this one has the same thing, but it also has like a line on the bottom, which again, evening gowns would look so cute. So beautiful. It fits perfectly in between these two necklaces. It is the perfect length. I am so happy. This is so coincidental. Look at how cute it goes. And it looks so bougie. Like, it looks so elegant. I'm balled out right now. Like, I am so excited to see what's in this bougie box, because this is like cushioned. This is extravagant. This one It's like zipped. Oh, it's a little jewelry box. Oh my god, I love that it is blush on the inside. It is so beautiful and elegant. It's a little travel case. That is so cute. I definitely need that. So here obviously you put your rings, and here you put necklaces. Here you could hang necklaces. There's a little compartment here too. This is so convenient and beautiful. I am so excited. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Ciunofor, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this jewelry. I would definitely say my favorite is this necklace, but I also really like the long necklace too, and I love the bracelet and the ring. These earrings and this necklace is definitely a little bit more my mom's style, so that will be nicely gifted to her, but it's still very beautiful. I just prefer really dainty jewelry, which they have on their website, and it feels so nice. I am so excited. Thank you, Ciunofor, and make sure to check them out. The link is down below. Okay, so as you guys know, I always use Pinterest to find my wallpapers. So this is my Instagram, by the way, come follow. So this is my Pinterest. If you want to come follow me on here, because I post a lot of cute posts. Rose, gold, iPhone. So I want it to be like aesthetic rose gold. Like I don't want it to be too much. So I might just put like aesthetic. Just, you know, inspired by our jewelry trends. Oh my god. I like this. I like this a lot. So I'm just gonna download this because I love when things are rose gold but also kind of indie. The beach. Because, you know, it is May and summer is kind of approaching. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys my phone case that I'm rocking right now. This is from Chroma. My code will be right here if you want to get yourself a Chroma case, because it's spring, so I decided to put on this little flowery one. Love this. I think this is so elegant. I absolutely love that. Oh, and I love this. This is like more beigey, but still, you know, in the tones. Okay, I actually think we might be good. I like this one a lot. I don't know if we can make this into something good. I like this one a lot. I love this one. I love this one, and I love, oh my god, this donut. Oh, what if I overlay this and this? 1 second. So I'm gonna go to Photoshop Mix, this wallpaper, and then I'm gonna add a layer. Ooh, what if I just did it for the water? So like this part where the water is. My ideas. Blend. Blend. Let me see. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this, but I don't. Oh wow, that kind of looks cool. Luminosity. It doesn't really make sense, but I kind of like this a lot. This is such a weird wallpaper, but hold on, I actually really like that. That is so weird. I totally ruined the photo. But here I am. So I think I'm gonna put a really nice quote in here. So I'm gonna go to Photoshop Express, take this in. Maybe I'll put your breakthrough is coming. Ooh, or this one. Little by little, day by day, what is meant for you will find its way. Do I like this? I really can't tell. Ooh, I like this one. I like this. Let's see, it might need to be smaller. Oh no, that's actually perfect. That is so pretty. Little by little, day by day, what is meant for you will find its way. That is so cute, and it's so original and weird. Oh my god, I love it. It is so weird. So freaking cute. Oh, you know what, it might be good? I'm gonna go on Niche. This looks cute. I love this app, Niche. So I'm gonna put this in the background. Maybe I'll lower this. No, actually I won't. First, I don't know which one I want to use yet. Probably that one actually, but... So they have a couple cute little things like that. Oh, there's so many that I got, but I think I would like to go with this darker one and put it like here. Yeah, I like this. And let me see if there's any stickers I want to add. Ooh, I kind of like this little thing. That's kind of cute. I kind of like that a lot. Oh no, it's actually perfect. That one is so cute. This one is adorable. Oh my god, that fits perfectly. That one fits so beautifully. I love it. Oh, this one's so cute. This one's like my favorite one I made in a while. It just looks so good. And I'm gonna go to Pinterest, find a quote that I like. I like this one. Like, I like this so much. Oh, this worked. Wait, what? Cool. So I'm gonna put... And this is this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.